So what's your take on this instant pickle which we have made with a hand chopper? Today I am going to make instant pickle. So you can see we have green chilies, garlic, ginger and turmeric. This is raw turmeric. All the ingredients which are used is fresh and we'll be using it in the recipe. First we will remove the stem of the green chilies. So you can see how we are taking out the stem. As you can see, the stems of the green chilies have been removed. Now we will scrape off the turmeric. You just need to remove the outer skin. You can just scrape it off like this or you can peel it like this. This will give a very clean finish. You can also use the skin, because in most of the recipes I also try to use the skin because it has got a lot of fibers and it's quite healthy in nature. So I avoid scraping it off, but scraping right now for the pickle, it will give a very clean and neat finish. That's why I need to scrape it off. See how easy it is to scrape off the turmeric peels. Even if some of the peels remain in the turmeric, there is no harm. Just scrape it off like this. You see there is a natural yellow color in the hands. So the turmeric has got peeled. You can see the color in the hands. It has become yellow. So now we'll scrape off the ginger peels as well. I had already peeled the garlic earlier, and I usually store peeled garlic in the refrigerator so that I can use it whenever I am cooking and it speeds up my work. So this will not take a lot of time. I had washed and cleaned and dried the ingredients. Right now I am just scraping it off. Avoid as much water as you can, because you can preserve this instant pickle for around a week or 15 days. They are very delicious and it's good for the winters. Ginger and garlic has lots of health benefits and it warms up your body during the winters. So the consumption of ginger and garlic in winters increases, and there are various ways in which you can use these ingredients. See how easy it is to scrape off. You just lightly need to scrape it off. So now it's time to use the chopper. So you just need to see that the blades of the chopper is straight, and now we will start adding the ingredients. So I am just thinly slicing the ingredients first with the turmeric. You just roughly need to chop them so that it becomes easy for you to grind it in the chopper. So you can see I am slicing the turmeric and ginger into the chopper. I'll also add garlic and green chilies. You can just break them with your hands so that there is easy movement. Avoid touching it with your hands or fingers, because green chilies have a lot of heat in it. Ensure that the center is clear. It has almost got full. Let's see if it will close or not. There we go. So this, as you can see, this is the center and we need to put it into this groove. Press it and fix it in the groove here. So you can see we have stuffed the chopper, and now it's time to blend it. Just give it a shake. Since it's totally filled, it's moving slowly. I think I'll remove a little bit from this chopper. Can you see how it's chopping? Until you are satisfied, you need to continue pulsing it. check inside. See, we'll chop a little more. And just shake in between. Look at it. So this texture is really very important. This will taste very delicious. So now we'll put in the remaining ingredients because it was totally full. We could not move it, so I have to remove a little, and then now I'm doing it again. Basically 3/4 you need to fill, because if it is more than 3/4 the blade will not move and it would become difficult. You will break the string or spring. The lesser the quantity, it is much easier for the blades to move. See, a little more. Look at it. Perfect. See. Use a spoon to remove it. If you use your fingers, you can also use your fingers, but then the heat of the chili will be too much for you to handle. Preferably use a spoon. It becomes easier to remove it from the chopper. We will heat a pan and we will add mustard oil in it. So we need large quantity of mustard oil to cook this recipe, and we'll heat it. So you can see I have taken ajwain, kala jeera, mustard seeds and hing. This is hing powder. Can you see it? See. Ajwain is caraway seeds, which is used in any kind of pickle or even in curries and recipes. So once the oil has heated, we will add this into the hot oil, and instantly we will put this grinded green chili, garlic, ginger and turmeric. And we'll cook it for some time, not too much. It will have a very good taste. Here now we will add some salt. First add a little, and if required we'll add salt at the end. Do not add all the salt at once, because though salt acts as a preservative, nowadays people want to consume less salt. So depending on your choice, you can add more or less. At my home everyone wants little salt, so I am keeping it to a minimum. But usually pickles do have high content of salt because that preserves the recipe. Because I'll be having it fresh, I think it will be consumed within a week and it will get over. I'll be having guests at home, so I've prepared in such large quantity. This is sufficient, because how much? 1 teaspoon of pickle you will be having, not more than that. You look at the color, how the green chilies are looking. We are cooking it on high flame just to remove the rawness of the ingredients, because we are not going to cook it in the sun. We are cooking it on fire. You can also make the same pickle in the sunlight as well. If you just store it in the sunlight, it can be preserved. This was achari masala. So this achari masala consists of coriander seeds powder, mustard powder, fenugreek powder, salt, a little bit, red chili powder, which is usually Kashmiri red chili powder, which gives a very good color, and hing. Also a little turmeric. These are the basic spices which you can use it by yourself. If you have the raw seeds and the whole seeds, you can just make it into a powder and you can add it into the recipe. We will not cook much at this point. Now we will add a little vinegar. Around a teaspoon. This is the only preservative which I am adding to it. You can also add lemon juice to it. I think I will go for a little more achari powder. Look at the color of this achari powder. Just a little more I have added so that it will give some good color to it, the dish. That's it. Now it will cook in its own heat because now the mustard oil is already quite heated and we do not want to cook it too much. Keep scraping off the bottom of the pan. You can see now it is leaving the oil. This is perfect. You can also add a pinch of sugar in this so that the flavors of the spices will get blunt, but I will not be adding any sugar because in our family nobody wants sugar in the pickle. But I'll just taste a little and see if it is required or not. See, I'll just taste a little. It requires a little more sourness to the dish, so I'll add a little more vinegar. You can also add lemon juice to it. Just mix it. It's perfect. The salt quantity is also okay. Sour pickles really taste very delicious. You can use this to stuff your parathas. You can use it as a side dish. You can use it in any of the curry, gravy or stir fry which you are adding, and it will give a achari flavor to the dish because of the achari masala. And these are the basic spices like turmeric, ginger, garlic and green chilies, which is usually in general used in any of the curry. And so you can see it is leaving the oil and we will store it in a jar. You can see how it looks. It looks totally beautiful. So you can see the instant pickle is almost ready and we will allow it to cool right now and then we will store it in a jar. So you need an absolutely clean glass jar, or you can use a bowl as well, and we will store it in the jar. And once cold you can refrigerate it and use it whenever you require. It's still hot right now. Look at the color, how it looks. Do not close the lid while it is hot. You can see the pan is also leaving the oil. That means all the spices have blended up nicely. This is absolutely delicious instant pickle and good for the winters. You can use other veggies as well like carrot, radish, onions, anything whichever you feel like, and you can add it to your pickle. Look at the beautiful color. Isn't it looking store-bought pickle? Perfect. So what's your take on this instant pickle which we have made with a hand chopper? Wasn't it easy? And it was not time consuming as well. You can make them easily and you can relish them. Make it at home and do try your own variation, and definitely give this recipe a try. And drop in comments, and if you like this recipe, do hype the video and subscribe to my channel and give it a like.